Everybody, Nathan with Pro Acoustics here again at InfoComm 2019. We're in the Nexo booth with Preston. He's going to tell us about some new stuff. What are we looking at here, sir?
Yeah, so we've got a new product that we're launching here at InfoComm. We've got the newest point source box in our line, the P12. This is a 12-inch coaxial. It's got a ton of horsepower, 140 dB. It's about 6-7 dB above any other competitor on the market. The other really cool feature on this box is we can actually change the directivity of this on the fly. So typically you're having to buy, one box that's 60 by 60, another box that's a different dispersion pattern. But we've got a really nifty patent. The box ships at 60 by 60, and then you can add these awesome inserts here to change the box to 90 by 40. There are 2 quarter-turn fasteners here. The grill pops off. This guy magnetically attaches to the center of the horn. You're rocking and rolling with a different coverage pattern. Easy. So super awesome for production and rental. You guys can change the directivity on the fly depending on what room you're in or whether you need it to be a wedge. So we're rocking and rolling with P12. It's in our demo room. Would love for you guys to check it out and take a listen to it. Nathan, we've also got the new L15 companion sub to go with this. So the L15, it's a long excursion, 15-inch sub. It's got a ton of punch and impact, so it pairs really nicely with our new P12.
Awesome, very cool. Exciting stuff coming from Nexo. On to the next stop. Thanks again, sir.
Awesome. Thanks, Nathan.
See you guys.